In order to 3D print a model, the normals need to be facing the correct direction. If you're unaware what normals are, it basically is data that tells a model which direction is outside and which direction is inside. So most of the time, your model, the normals are facing outward, so the outside is where it's supposed to be. But through the process of modeling or importing, sometimes these normals get messed up and they face inside, thus making inside outside and outside inside. You can see how that becomes a huge, big, ugly mess, right? So we need a way to be able to visualize these normals and also to be able to recalculate them so that they're facing the correct direction. Here I have Suzanne set up and everything looks great. The normals look fine as it's kind of looking as if Suzanne is a solid object, right? But I secretly changed some of these normals so that they're facing the wrong direction, and the default viewport doesn't show these. So we actually need to go ahead and show how to see these. It's very easy. The first way is simply tab into edit mode, and then in the viewport overlay, in the upper right corner here, just select the option face orientation. This changes all the correct faces to be blue and all the incorrect faces to be red. Now, if I'm too lazy to go in edit mode and I just kind of want to get a quick look at my model to see how the normals are doing, I could have, outside of edit mode, just turned on X-ray. So that's Alt-Z. And now, wherever there's normals facing the wrong direction, you get these visual artifacts that almost look like holes because it's calculating it so that the normals aren't facing outward. And so I use this a lot too. There's a third option that I use occasionally, but it's a little bit more technical, but I'll still show you nonetheless. Tabbing back into edit mode, and we can go right next to the setting that we picked last time, that viewport overlay, and there's another one called mesh overlay. Here, there's this option with these three icons, and they're just different visualizations for normals. I click this one right here, and it shows a normal basically as a line segment coming from a face. You can increase the length or decrease the length. And here you can see where the normals are correct, they're shooting outward. And where they're not correct, they're shooting inward, so you can't really see them. So those are three different ways that I like to visualize the different normals. And now that we can visualize these, we need to be able to fix them. The first and easiest way to fix this is to just use Prusa Slicer. 9 times out of 10, Prusa Slicer just takes care of it. You don't even have to worry about it. It's smart enough to be able to recalculate the normals for you. Another way to do it is to use the Make Manifold button, which you should be using anyways, and so there's some redundancy. This single button will, 9 times out of 10, recalculate the normals to be facing outward, which is good. Now, in those few instances that it doesn't work, you need to go ahead and select the model that you need to fix the normals, tab into edit mode, and then select everything, and then there's a menu. It's Mesh, Normals, and it's Recalculate Normals Outside. And if this doesn't work, you need to select all the wrong faces and click Mesh, Normals, Flip, and it'll just flip those things. And now we know what normals are, we know how to see them, and we know how to fix them. I will see you in the next video.